Congratulations on becoming an affiliate of Live Good. You definitely made the right decision. Welcome sa Freedom Champions Getting Started Training. Now na nalock-in ko ng aking position o nag-upgrade na ako ng position ko, ang tanong, anong susunod? What's next? Very simple. GPS. Sundin mo lang itong GPS para hindi ka mawala at makakarating ka sa iyong paroroonan. Get in, plug in, stay in. Tapos ka na sa get in, plug in ka naman ngayon. So ang unang gagawin mo ay kabisaduhin yung back office mo. Dito mo mamomonitor yung growth o paglaki ng business mo. Ang website na pupuntahan mo ay livegood.com. Tandaan, yan lang ang website na pupuntahan mo, livegood.com. So ito yung homepage ng back office mo pag login mo. Remember na ang back office natin ay available in several languages. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung mga different tabs. Hindi lahat kasi yung iba simple lang naman. So this is your homepage. Pag ini-scroll down mo yan, makikita mo yung 3 very important websites para sa paglaki o pag-build ng Live Good business mo. Ang una, yung corporate site. Dito pupunta yung mga gustong magbayad ng $9.95 pero ayaw maging affiliate or ayaw magbayad ng one-time $40. So, magbabayad sila ng $9.95 and they can purchase the product at member's price. Yung isa naman, yung retail site, dyan pupunta yung mga gusto lamang yung produkto, ayaw magbayad ng anything but they will buy the products at retail price or customer price. Pinaka-importante pag gusto mong mag-build yung Powerline landing page. Ito yung isisend mo sa mga prospects mo na sa tingin mo ay gustong mag-build or kumita sa Live Good. So this is your homepage. Ang next yung My Membership. Pag na-click mo yan, makikita mo yung due date ng membership mo. Next is yung shop. Obviously, pag na-click mo yan, makikita mo yung different products natin. Pwede ka mong pag-aralan by clicking on Learn More. Pwede ka na rin mag-order dyan. Ang maganda sa back office natin or website natin, very transparent dahil makikita mo yung Certificate of Analysis. Okay? Yung Certificate of Analysis, it shows na yung mga produkto natin ay third-party tested for purity and potency. Yung next, yung My Info. Makikita mo yung first name, last name, email address, at pwede mong i-click yan just in case na may mga errors. Gusto mong i-correct, makukorrect mo na dyan without writing to support. So you can do it on your own. Yung order history, dyan mo makikita yung purchase history mo. Yung pag nagbabayad ka or remember nung nag-lock in ka ng position mo, andyan yung receipt mo, yung resibo mo. Okay, yung patunay na ikaw ay nagbayad ng one time $40 and $40 rather, and the $9.95 o yung 1 year kung nag-subscribe ka for 1 year. Yung next na, and by the way, yung order history, pag nag-order ka ng product, normally 24 hours, dyan mo rin makikita yung tracking, okay? Para alam mo kung kailan or yung estimated date ng delivery ng product mo. Next, My Team, very important, kaya itatouch ko ito, ipapakita ko sa iyo. Pag na-click mo yung My Team, makikita mo yung genealogy ng matrix mo. Ito yung team building natin, okay? It's an expandable rather 2x15 matrix, okay? Nagumpisa lahat tayo sa 2x12 and depende sa rank natin, lumalalim yung genealogy ng matrix natin, okay? Remember, okay, dito sa matrix, it's color-coded, depende sa rank mo. In this case, yung affiliate na ito is bronze, okay? And then, andyan din, pag i-hover mo yung cursor mo or i-tap mo siya, if you're using cellphone, makikita mo yung username at kung sino yung enroller. So, this is a very robust back office that we have. Remember, pag pinanood mo yung presentation ko, ito yon, okay? Ito yung diniscuss ko, yung 2x15 expandable matrix wherein spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come, first serve basis. Now, pag na-click mo naman yung enroller tree, ito ay pinapakita sa'yo yung mga na-enroll mo, okay? At saka na-enroll ng na-enroll mo. Okay, so may level dito. Okay, nandyan yung name nila, username, at kung sino yung enroller, at kung kailan sila nag-lock in or nag-upgrade ng position nila. Next is Matrix List View. pag na-click mo yan, ito yung lalabas. Pinapakita sa'yo kung ilang tao meron ka sa level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and so forth and so on. Of course, lahat tayo nag-umpisa sa 0, okay? But once you become a bronze, meron ka ng 2 sa level 1. Tiisin mo lang kasi lalaki din yan. Just keep on building, okay? Tingnan mo okay, itong affiliate na ito, meron na siyang ilan, bilangin natin 12. So, dahil meron na siyang 12, remember, per person, kikita tayo ng 25 cents. So, in other words, ang potential income na niya sa matrix commissions niya ay $3, or that's about 165 pesos. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang i-build. Alam mo, sinend ng isang downline ko ito kung ilan na meron siya sa matrix genealogy niya, ito na. Remember, nag-umpisa sa wala, and then 2, and then sunod-sunod, he kept building. Ngayon, meron na siyang 1,284 affiliates sa matrix niya. So, ang potential matrix commissions niya ay $321, or that's about 17,655 pesos. Amazing. Okay, that's a passive income, and it compounds. Okay, lumalaki yan every month. Okay, ngayon, pag na-click mo naman yung power line, ito yung lalabas. Okay, ang power line, pinapakita lang sa'yo kung gaano na kalaki ang Live Good, kung gaano karami ang nagjo-join. Ang tanong mo siguro, kikita ba ako dito sa power line? Yes, once you become a diamond and crown diamond, kikita ka sa lahat ng affiliates, including the founders. Every time somebody in the company, okay, nagpo-purchase ng produkto, nagme-member, or nagbabayad ng affiliate fee, yung one-time affiliate fee, lahat yun, okay, kikita ka doon. You get a piece of the pie. Okay, next na pag-uusapan natin is my referrals, okay? Ang ipapakita ng my referrals sa'yo ay ito yung mga pre-enrollees mo, ito yung mga directs mo, okay? So every time na may nag-click ng tour link mo at nag-fill up ng information, dito pupunta, ang tawag sa kanila ay pre-enrollee. So makikita mo rin dito kung pre-enrollee, ang ibig sabihin ng pre-enrollee, hindi pa siya nag-upgrade, okay? May naghihintay pa ng information sa iyo. Yung member, yan yung nag-upgrade na. Okay. Tignan mo pag na-click mo itong pangalan, bawat pangalan ng pre-enrollee mo or member mo, ang maganda sa back office natin ay ipapakita sa iyo yung detailed information nila. Let's say for example, si Riza Bland, i-click natin, lalabas yan. Okay? Hindi pa siya nag-upgrade, kaya retail customer pa siya. Makikita mo rin yung date na nag-pre-enroll siya, at the bottom pwede mong dagdagan ng information para ma-remember mo lahat, kasi what if marami na yan, hindi mo na ma-remember lahat, lalo na pag na-meet mo sila somewhere. So in this case, si Riza Bland, okay, she's from Houston, Texas. She's working as a receptionist at 2 years, my 2 years experience as a network marketing. Okay, ang susunod yung webinar schedule. Okay? So from my referrals, meron pang isang tab diyan, okay, bago webinar schedule. Marami pa actually. Yung my enroller. Pag na-click mo yung my enroller, yan yung information ng enroller mo, okay? At saka yung mga uplines ng enrollers mo, okay? Leaderboard, pinapakita lang dyan. Pag na-click mo yan, yung mga magagaling mag-recruit, maraming directs, paramihan ng directs dyan. Yung my websites, hindi ko na i-discuss dahil nasa homepage mo rin yan. Pero pwede mo ring i-click yan at makita mo yung mga websites mo, yung 3 websites. At kung sakaling may karagdagang websites about products, makikita mo rin dyan. Okay, so dito na tayo sa webinar schedule. Makikita mo yung 3 very important Zoom calls na ang speakers ay mga founders. As they say, it's always better to hear from the horse's mouth. Ibang-iba yung impact pag yung nagsasalita ay mga founders. So, merong 3 very important Zoom calls, okay? These are live Zoom calls. Thursday, yun yung cut-off, okay? Friday, yan yung rank recognition and training. At yung Monday, product call with Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Sila po yung in charge sa product formulation and product education. Okay, so that's the webinar schedule. Make sure na panoorin mo yan. It's always good to join live. Pero pag hindi mo kaya, may replay. Kaya walang rason na hindi ka makapanood dahil may replay naman. Next, yung statistics. Okay, kiklik mo yan. Diyan mo makikita kung ilan tao or ilang clicks doon sa tour link mo. Explore mo na lang yan. Next, very important, yung My Earnings. Pag na-click mo yung My Earnings, yan ang lalabas. At you can select your payment option. Depende kung nasaan ka. Kung nasa US ka, maganda na i-choose mo yung direct deposit. Okay? Kung nasa labas ka ng US, meron kang option for global e-wallet. Okay? Pwedeng mag-bank transfer, wire transfer, or pwede kang mag-order ng prepaid card, or you can receive your commission in Bitcoin. As your enroller at i-guide ka at isi-send sa'yo yung steps kung paano i-process yung commissions mo through global e-wallet. Next is, pwede mo rin sa mga mahilig crypto, okay, mahilig tumanggap ng crypto, pwede nyo ring option yan, yung cryptocurrency powered by BitPay, okay. Next is, pwede nyo ring i-transfer yung commissions nyo sa credit wallet, okay. Pag na-click nyo yan, ito yung lalabas. You have 3 choices. Do not credit, okay, ayaw mong gustong i-transfer yung earnings mo sa credit wallet. Number 2 is pwede mong i-transfer a portion of your commission. Let's say, for example, I would like to credit the next $10 of my earnings to my credit wallet. Bakit $10? Kasi pambayad mo ng subscription. Okay, pwede yan. And number 3, I would like to credit all of my earnings to my credit wallet. Marami na nasa labas ng Pilipinas, or rather nasa Pilipinas nasa labas ng US. Okay, excuse me for that. Nasa labas ng US, ang choice nila is I would like to credit all of my earnings to my credit wallet. Okay? Dahil yung credit wallet dollars mo ay pwede mong gamitin in so many ways. Okay? Number 1, to lock in or upgrade position of your recruit. Ang gagawin mo lang, i-collect mo yung pera. Okay? 2,800 or 2,900. Pag send sa'yo, din ikaw na yung mag-upgrade sa kanila using your commissions na nasa credit wallet mo. So that's 1, lock in or upgrade position of your pre-enrollees. Number 2, pwede mo rin gamitin yan to pay membership or subscription. Number 3, pwede ka rin mag-purchase ng products. Number 4, pwede mo rin i-transfer to another affiliate. Okay, so maraming gamit ng credit wallet. In fact, I call this is our internal money transfer, kasi pwede mo ngang i-send or i-transfer to another affiliate or to any affiliate in Live Good, not necessarily yung mga nasa nasa team mo. Pwede mong i-send sa upline, sideline, everybody. Okay? So yan yung gamit ng credit wallet. Okay? Ngayon, pag na-click mo yung credit wallet, okay, for example, na-transfer na, okay, ito yung lalabas. Okay, yung may laman na yung credit wallet mo. In this case, meron siyang about $200. Okay, yan, pwede mo nang gamitin pang-upgrade ng 4 na tao dahil you need $49.95 or almost $50, okay, bawat isang pre-enrollee na gustong mag-upgrade. Okay, so for more information, I would like to suggest and encourage everybody na kausapin yung enroller nyo kung paano ito. Okay? I cannot discuss everything in detail here. Just showing you how the back office works. Okay? Ang next is, pag na-click mo yung view rank, okay, ito yung lalabas. Papakita sa'yo kung ano yung status mo ngayon, kung ano yung rank, at kung paano ka makarating. Paano mo ma-hit yung next rank. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, meron pang ibang tab dito yung aside from My Earnings. Next is FAQ, yung frequently asked questions. I suggest na basahin nyo ito dahil I'm pretty sure dahil bago lang kayo, okay, marami pa kayong questions. So, yung most of your questions nasasagot dyan sa frequently asked questions, okay? Kaya i-click nyo yan at magbasa kayo. And ladies and gentlemen, or lahat ng mga bagong affiliates natin o yung mga dating affiliates natin, for those who are with us for few weeks, few months, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating back office tutorial. Part ng plugin is mental preparation. Gusto mong mabago ang buhay mo kaya dapat mentally prepared ka. Kailangan i-correct mo ang mindset mo. What is mindset? Mindset is the way you think, kung paano ka mag-isip. Let's have the proper mindset. Unang-unang gagawin, believe in yourself. Maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Kung hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, sino pa ang maniniwala sa iyo? Maniwala ka na kaya mong mag-diamond dito sa Live Good. Believe in Live Good that this is your right vehicle to success. Know your whys. Bakit gusto mong mag-succeed? Bakit gusto mong mag-diamond? Are you tired of being broke? Gusto mo bang mapasaya ang iyong asawa? Nasa malayo ka bang lugar, isang OFW? Gusto mo na bang makapiling ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay? May mga naghahabol ba sa'yo dahil may mga utang ka? Isipin mo na kapag wala kang pera at may nagkasakit sa family, saan ka kukuha ng pera pambayad sa gamot at ospital? Laliman mo ang mga whys mo. Alam mo na ang mga whys mo, iset mo na ang mga goals mo. Ang goal mo ay mag-rank up. Rank up to bank up, ika nga. Kapag nag-rank up ka, tumataas din ang kita mo. And once na nag-diamond ka, your life will turn 180 degrees. Naset mo na ang mga goals mo, dapat magkaroon ka ng burning desire na ma-achieve ang mga to. Manggigil ka dapat. According to Brian Tracy, intense burning desire is the motivational force that enables you to overcome any obstacle and achieve almost any goal. May burning desire ka na ma-achieve ang mga goals mo ngayon, balutin mo ng commitment. There are 3 levels of commitment. I will try. Susubukan ko. Mababaw na commitment yan. I will do my best. What if your best wasn't good enough? Whatever it takes, yan ang commitment. Mag-diamond ka, whatever it takes. I-commit mo rin that you will never listen to negative people or dream stealers. Normal na sa isang pamilya at mga kaibigan, may mga ayaw kang umangat. Hindi naman lahat, kaya be thankful kapag pamilya mo ay suportado sa iyo. Stay positive and self-motivated all the time. Hindi madali ito, kaya kahit matagal ka na sa industriya, makinig ka pa rin sa mga training at sharing ng ibang successful affiliates para ma-power up ka. Kung nalolobat ka, balikan mo yung mga whys mo. Mental preparation ay napaka-importante sa pagkamit ng ating mga goals. Kahit ano pang discouragement na dumating, all these are just 10%. How you are going to react is the other 90%. Kabisaduhin ang back office and be mentally prepared. Part pa rin ng plugin is to take action and start building very quickly dahil walang hinihintay ang Live Good. Remember, the shortest distance between our dreams and reality is called action. Unang gagawin, be added immediately to the chat room and Freedom Champions Facebook group. Dito sa Freedom Champions Facebook group, dito natin nire-recognize ang mga international affiliates all over the world na nagra-rank up. Dito rin tayo nagpo-post ng mga important announcement and upgrades and strategies. Kaya dapat andyan ka na kagad. Number 2, name list. Name as many as you can. Unlimited yan. Isulat, wag lang ilagay sa utak. Number 3, this is the learning part of our business, kaya kailangan mag-attend ka ng Zoom calls and watch presentations. Dapat magkaroon ka ng tinatawag nating good learning attitude. And when you have good learning attitude, the faster you can duplicate your enrollers or mga uplines. And of course, the faster you can duplicate, the faster you can build a big team and get promoted to Diamond. Number 4, umpisahan na yung 90-day run. This is the earning part of our business. At ang minimum goal mo dapat ay Platinum or Diamond. And during this 90-day run, kailangan i-share massively yung Powerline landing page. Magpa-free tour ng napakarami. Pwede kang mag-invite sa Zoom calls, sa face-to-face presentations, sa social media. Pwede rin ng 3-way calls or chats at take advantage sa mga big events. Dapat jam-pack yan. You know, invitation is an art. Different folks, different strokes. I-share ko lang sa inyo yung sinisend ko na text sa mga friends ko sa Facebook. Ito yon. Let's say, hello Lisa. Gusto ko lang makasiguro na malaman mo agad tong information na to. Isang company sa US ay viral ngayon all over the world. At kung gusto mong maging parte habang ito ay nag-uumpisa pa lamang, ito na yung chance mo. please panoorin ang 6-minute video at mag-free tour para malaman mo kung bakit 3,000 na katao ang nagjo-join araw-araw. Huwag kalimutan isama yung link ninyo. During this 90-day run, dapat meron din kayong progress tracking sheet. Nakapost ito sa chat room natin sa Freedom Champions Facebook group. Pwede nyo ring hingin sa mga uplines ninyo. Dito nyo tinatrack yung progress ng team ninyo. At during this 90-day run, anong dinuduplicate natin? Yung get to, help your to, get there to, and repeat. Get to para maging bronze ka kagad. At tulungan mo rin yung dalawa mo na maging bronze, and then repeat natin lahat. Ang mindset dito is maging bronze tayo ulit. Okay? Pag bronze ka na, maging bronze ka ulit. Ang ibig sabihin yan, kuha ka ulit ng dalawa mo. Dahil the more directs you have, the bigger is your matching bonuses. May mga narinig kayo siguro na oras lang or minutes lang naging bronze. It's because they opened a what you call family accounts. Okay, if you are family of network marketers o talagang seryoso kayo sa business na ito, you will never regret opening a family account or family accounts. Kayo yung nasa top at pwede yung first two ninyo ay family members. Number 5 is follow up and assist your pre-enrollees to lock in or upgrade their position. The secret is in the follow-up. Mag-follow up kayo at sabihin sa mga pre-enrollees ninyo na ready kayong mag-answer ng mga questions nila, at kung gusto nilang mag 3-way call with your upline, you can schedule. At of course, pag ready na silang mag-upgrade, let's say for example sa Philippines, may cash na, walang bank account, paano yun? Dapat alam nyo yun. Number 6, you have to share this getting started video. Very, very important. Number 7, you have to duplicate your uplines, leaders, and rollers. Copy business tayo. Don't reinvent the wheel. Number 8, sabay-sabay nating sabihin, log in to your back office every day. Log in to your back office every day para makabisado mo. Number 9, you have to keep attending corporate Zoom calls, team calls, and special training calls. Huwag magsawa. Number 10, you have to keep the faith, understand the process, and focus on the end result. Hindi lahat magjo-join sa'yo. Hindi lahat magsasay ng yes sa'yo. There will be challenges along the way. Ang importante, nakafocus ka doon sa end results. Ano yung end results? Yung maging diamond ka, magkaroon ka ng time and financial freedom. So remember our formula to success. GPS, get in, plug in, stay in. Get in, pre-enroll, upgrade, or lock in your position. Plug in, you have to have the correct mindset. You have to learn the business, get trained, keep building and ranking up. And stay in, you have to keep your membership active. Pay $9.95 every month or $99.95 every year or per year. Remember, we are freedom champions. See you all at the top.